What's up, y'all? All right, y'all, so I'm back with another video, and I am doing a wig review. But first, y'all gonna see these braids. Let me put my little scarf on before I start this video. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Shay Skyler, and I'm back with another video. If you don't know, I'm doing protective styles on my hair, and today couldn't wait to do this. I am going to be installing my Swiss lace wig, 100% hand braided lace wig by Sensationnel. It's called the Fulani Cornrow, and this is how it looks. It has the braid in the middle. It came in this package. Okay, I just took it out the package. The shipping was very fast. It was actually 2-day shipping, so it was super duper fast. What I will say about this wig and the reviews that I did look at, the wig did say that it was for smaller heads, okay? So you need to make sure that you do small braids in order to install this wig. So what you're gonna need for the install, sorry y'all, I have this stuck together. You're gonna need scissors, you're gonna need to have your hair braided, and then you're also gonna need a wig cap, okay? So the first thing that I wanna do is make sure that I wipe off my head. And I thought I had some cotton balls, but I guess I don't. So the first thing that I want to do is take some alcohol and make sure that I clear off the area where I'm going to be installing the lace. We want that to be makeup free. Then I'm just going to take my cap and put it on. I'm just going to put it on all the way. Then I'm just going to slide it back. Okay, we want to make sure that our is as flat as possible, guys, okay? The next thing that we're going to do is put on our glue for the lace. I like to use the No Mess Crazy Hole Super Lace Glue for lace wigs. It comes in this container, and it comes with a little application stick. It's wooden, and I just like to take a little and then spread it on. It dry. It smells like nail polish. I wanna see the lace. I wanna see the lace. Put your hands up. Perfect glove. And while we're letting that dry, we're gonna prep. Okay, now, just an overview of the wig. This is the wig, honey. It does come with baby hairs, okay? This is how the plaits look. It comes with a comb and the bike, okay? No side combs, that's it. Oh, sorry, we do have combs here, which are not needed, but they are there. And that's it, guys. I need to take this out though. Don't want that sticking. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just take the wig and put it on. I didn't. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Round 2, guys. Okay, we're just gonna take it. We just wanna kind of sort of stick it on, and then we wanna stick the comb in for security in the back. Get the back area all straightened, okay? Make sure that this area is dry and sticky. Then we're gonna take it and we're gonna pull it, okay? As far as we can, because like I said, this wig does run small. If you have a big head, like they said, this wig is not for a person with a big head, okay? So I'm just gonna take it and stick the lace and pull. And I need to get my, where's my, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna take it and pull. All right, we holding it down, POP. Alright, I feel like it's all nice and stuck. Next, I'm going to take my scissors to cut the lace, okay? I want to move my baby hairs out the way. And we're going to just cut the lace, but we want to make sure that we do not cut the baby hairs. Oh, y'all got the wrong sip. Here's my scissors. Okay, so we're just going to cut up. And then just do not cut those baby hair, y'all. It's hard to like record and do this at the same time. I'm gonna keep cutting because we have more lace left. Fold it up, so I want to make sure we I don't know why the little lace playing. That part we need to re-stick. This part can go. Alright, so I see some areas that I need to get to stick. I'm gonna get better with this wig, okay? Alright, so now I'm just gonna take my lace glue again and I'm gonna glue these sides. We wanna make sure that it sticks, but y'all see, okay. For tomorrow. All right, y'all, so we got this laid. Next, I'm just going to close up my lash glue before it gets all sticky, and I hate when it does that and I get hair all over the place. I said lash glue. I'm gonna close up my glue. I'm going to be using a toothbrush. Okay, I'm just going to brush down the edges, which there are a lot. Okay, and then I'm just going to brush them into place. And there's a lot, so I can actually cut. Okay, sensational. I see how you done came through with the braids. Right. All right, so this little side piece is just giving me a little bit of problems, but I'm gonna snip the baby hairs over here. Snip. And the ones over here, I'm gonna just let curl. So. A little sideburn. All right, y'all, so this is the look. I think it looks good. So make sure you thumbs up, you like, subscribe, bye.